Hey guys, it's another moto vlog. I am so pumped to be back on the bike. Today's moto vlog, I'm going to be talking about my crash that I just had and what I learned from it. First of all, we're also going to be going into the city of Seattle. I'm going to be editing some footage at a coffee shop, and I just want to, you know, go explore and take you guys on the ride as well. Oh my God, that car stinks like a cow's ass. Please don't pull into me, buddy. Damn. Please don't. Skirt. So they just paved this side of the road, which I'm really pumped about, and they're gonna paint this side of the road next week, hopefully. So then I don't have to drive a death trap every day. Because this is one of the worst roads to drive in Seattle, I guarantee. It's filled with potholes and a whole bunch of other crap that no one wants to drive on, so. What is that? It's a cool car. Oh. There we go. I would say it is a beautiful day, but it isn't. So, so anyway, I got in an accident on my bike. It was scary. It was a lot different than I thought it was gonna be. Oh geez, about to get in another one. Oh my God, that was pretty insane right there. But yeah, it was crazy. I was sitting at a stop sign and just minding my own business, you know, and listening to some tunes. Then all of a sudden, out of the middle of nowhere, the driver in front of me decided to throw I was about to say their bike, but their car in reverse. And keep in mind that they had a trailer hitch on, and they just came full force, backed up into me. I knocked on their window before they knocked me down, and yeah, it's just crazy how things like that can happen so fast. First thing she said was she didn't see me, which everyone says, and it really makes you reevaluate if you want to have high-vis gear on or you want to look like a badass and get hit eventually. But so yeah, that was an awakening event that happened to me. Oh no, I think that the drawbridge is up, or whatever they call that. Yeah, but it's just crazy how she didn't see me. I was just like right behind her, maybe car length behind her, and she backed up all the way into me. And it was just like, it was crazy. I didn't expect that to happen. I was just sitting there, and all of a sudden, bam! I was like, wow. So that's why there's been about a week that has passed without a moto vlog, and that's why I've done, like, you know, cell phone holder tutorials instead, which, let's face it, are not as fun as, you know, being on the bike, talking to you guys, having a good time. But I really want to put the message out there, like, be safe, guys, because, like, I thought I was looking out for, like, myself, you know, but you just never expect someone to throw their car into reverse and just ram into you. So basically what she did is she broke the front fairing, she put a crack in my nose fairing. I had these sliders right down here on, and so that saved the bike. And her insurance, you know, it paid for my fairings and could probably buy me like anything I want for my motorcycle, which is great, but it's just not worth it. My life isn't worth something materialistic like a bike. It's not worth any of that stuff. So it's just, be safe, guys. Look out for other people, because I thought I was looking out for myself until someone threw their car into reverse and just smashed the front end of my bike. Oh jeez, bro, Jesus Christ, what is this hellish shit? I picked the wrong time to go onto the freeway. Oh my gosh. This is bad, bro. But anyway, I took the power commander out of my bike because it was stalling me on the freeway, and it was locking up my back tire, and I would like skid. It was so bad. So yeah, I decided to take it out. That was kind of a weird thing that I did, because the guy who sold me this actually did some jank stuff, and he like just duct taped wires together in the bike, and it was bad. So I took it out, and I'm trying to see, like, you know, how the bike's gonna respond now. It feels so much better. So what I've learned so much this week as far as bikes go, but one thing I can say for sure is, like, don't install all these things to make your bike better, like simultaneously, is that how you say it? Don't do it, because it's like, to be honest, you're probably gonna, if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna make your bike probably perform a little worse. And I mean, my R6 was guzzling gas like a diesel truck. I mean, it was bad, and it really didn't help having the power commander in there, so took it out. Did someone just honk at me, or what's going on here? That person's irritated. Oh, it's so slow. I literally chose rush hour to do this, and this is so bad. Jeez, go in front of the irritated person. And get stuck behind a slow person. My gosh, seriously, dude? Like, how bad is this? At this point, I'm really just keeping the GoPro on for my safety, because, jeez, really, dude? What is going on? Seriously? We're at a dead stop.